3, 4.
但是十分ですよ。
No, 4. 2, 2, 4.
だって十分ですよ。
And noodles.
任せてくださいよ。
All right, thanks for joining. Today we're doing authentic garlic noodles, just like they make in San Francisco. This is a staple in San Francisco, the Bay Area. So here we go. We've got our pot on our induction plate. We're going to put it on high and get that water boiling. And while we wait for the water to boil, we're going to start with our sauce. A half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we'll give that a quick little mix. And next we're going to add a couple little dashes of sesame oil and give it another mix. Then we're going to take some green onions, scallions, and slice those up nice and thin. Put those to the side. We'll take our large frying pan. We're going to add 5 tablespoons of butter. Looks like a lot, but we've got over a pound of noodles there, so it's really not. You want to make a real good sauce. Water's boiling. We add some salt to it. Put our pasta in. I'm using bucatini pasta, which is my favorite, but you can use any kind of pasta you like. Once that butter is melted, we're going to add 5 or 6 good cloves of garlic. I like to use this paste. It's easy and convenient. If not, just use a microplane or chop it up very thin. And once that garlic becomes fragrant, it's time to add our sauce to the frying pan. There we go. And we're going to mix that in real nice. And once we get that all mixed up nice, we're going to add about a half a cup of pasta water to the sauce. And we'll give it another good mix. And then it's time to start to add our noodles to the sauce. And I'm going straight from the pot to the frying pan. I don't care if I get any extra water in there because that's just going to add to the sauce to thicken it, all that starch. And once we get the noodles all mixed up nice, we're going to add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And we'll mix that in real good. And you'll see the sauce come together nice and thick. And then it's just about time to plate the garlic noodles. So we'll take a nice bowl here, put a couple of tonguefuls of noodles into the bowl, add some green onions on top and some more Parmesan cheese. And you have yourself authentic San Francisco style garlic noodles. Alright, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I appreciate you all very much and come back soon. Thank you.